Hello friends, as you know that in the recent past there has been emphasis of our government to freshly introduce and reinforce various laws dealing with economic offences such as Benami law, Black Money Act, Anti-Money Laundering law, that is PMLA, and various amendments having been made in Companies Act to strengthen SFIO for detection of corporate frauds, etc. So therefore, it becomes necessary for we professionals to have the grasp and understanding of these new laws, and so that we can properly assist and guide our clients in legal manner. Apart from that, there is a strong interplay between these laws. It is not possible today to address issue arising under one law on standalone basis, because one law has a strong interplay with the other law. For example, if one has to file reply with regard to an income tax notice, it is necessary to understand what implication or what violation may have taken place under Benami law. So therefore, keeping in view both the laws into consideration, only proper representation and proper reply can be filed. Now let us take example of Benami law. Many questions are arising today. For example, whether this law will have retrospective operation or prospective operation. Whose burden is what? Whether the primary burden of proof is upon the initiating officer or it is upon the person upon whom notice has been issued. Whether there is any scope and role of any intention, meaning thereby whether if the transaction has been done unknowingly, by mistake, still can it be roped in under PBPT Act? Similarly, whether only immovable assets can be covered or movable assets can also be covered. If the income tax is paid, then still whether any action can be taken under Benami law. In other words, whether there is going to be cumulative action, parallel action under Benami law and income tax law and anti-money laundering law, or action under one excludes the action under the other, etc., etc. So there are many other questions. Similarly, with regard to prosecution also, that if prosecution is launched for TDS violation for under Benami law, any violation under Benami law, or any violation under PMLA, or any violation under Companies Act. So how chartered accountants can effectively handle the prosecution issues, how they can perform their role to effectively assist the clients.